Okay, let me tell you a quick story. There was a young man who was curious about life, very curious about knowing his value in life. One day he went to his father and said, Baba, how much is my value in life? His father didn't have a verbal answer. Instead, he went straight to his room and took a stone and said, Son, take this stone to a marketplace. Go sell it there. And if anyone is interested and want to buy it, don't say any word. Just raise two fingers. The son took that stone and went to a marketplace to sell it. There was an old lady who was willing to buy the stone and asked the price of it. The son didn't say any word. He raised two fingers, and then the old lady was willing to buy it at 200 rand. The son went back to his father and said, Baba, at the marketplace there was an old lady who was willing to buy the stone at 200 rand. His father then said, take this stone to a stone store. Go sell it there. Don't say any word again. Just raise two fingers if the owner is willing to buy it. The son took the stone to a stone store, and when he get there, the owner asked the price. The son didn't say any word, did raise two fingers, and then the owner was willing to buy it at 200,000 rand. Again, the son went back to his father and said, Papa, at the stone store, the manager or the owner was willing to buy it at 200,000 rand. The moral of the story, this is a stone. At the marketplace, an old lady was willing to buy it at 200 rand. The same stone at the stone store, the owner there was willing to buy it at 200,000 rand. Now, the question of the son was, how much is my value in life? Look, it doesn't matter where you come from in life. What matters the most is people whom you associate yourself with. They will determine your value in life. There's an old say that, show me your friends, I will tell you your future. And there's another one that says, birds of the same feather fly together. It is so important that we choose our associates very well, because they determine our value in life. If you hang around with people who have rash, eventually you will have rash as well. Your body will start to inch. But if you hang around with millionaires, eventually you will become a millionaire. But if you associate yourself with losers, eventually you'll be a loser as well. It's so important that we evaluate our associates.